Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of versatile knowledge. So this is my iPad Pro M1 silver color in the base model, which is the 8GB 128GB model. I've already applied the tempered glass and I've already bought the back case. The tempered glass that I'm using is made by a brand called MGRJ. As you can see, I've bought it on Amazon and it cost me 499 rupees. And the link for this product will be available in the description. Inside the box of this product, we also get this swab for wiping your screen clean before applying. You also get this cloth, and also we get some more accessories which help you to apply the tempered glass perfectly on your iPad Pro M1. And the back case that I'm using for the iPad Pro M1 is made by ESR, and this is the magnetic back case that I'm using, and the color is actually rose gold, and it cost me somewhere around 1700 rupees. Just hold your iPad like this and just keep it on your back case, and magnetically the iPad gets attached to the back case, and this is how you close it, and it automatically locks. There is a magnet that is present on this surface which can lock the iPad perfectly, and the pencil can be placed in this layer. And the back case also has the magnet that is present on the back surface as well. Just keep it like this and the iPad gets locked over here, and the iPad can be used in any orientation with the help of this back case, and which is very cool. As you can see, this is the orientation which I am using the iPad in. If you want to use the iPad in this orientation for typing or some other purposes, that is also certainly possible with this back case. As you can see, the branding of ESR has been mentioned over here, and the link for the product is provided in the description. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.